Do you see any eggs?
Look for some eggs. Oh, you got one? Jack, the mater having eggs? Whoa, put it in your bucket. Now you gotta look for more now. Whoa.
Mr. Dates,
No, not right now. We gotta look for all the other ones. Jack, there's a whole bunch more. Put it in your bucket.
Put it in your bucket. Save them. There's a marshmallow.
Yeah, we can get them later. This is good.
Whole concept.
No.
There's more eggs.
No, you guys gotta get the more eggs.
There's more
Hold
eggs.
your bucket. You gotta go find more. Look, there's more eggs around. Look around, Ben. You see one? Oh, Ben, you got one. Jack, there's more eggs. Go find them. Go look for more. You see one? You got one? Get it in your bucket. Yo, you go put it in your bucket. Put it in your bucket. Get look for more. Oh, you got one? Benji, put it in your bucket.
We'll look at the prizes later.
Go put it in your bucket. Hurry up. No, look it later. Look later. Do later. Put it in your bucket. You find more.
It spins.
Find more. Jack, go find more eggs. The Easter Bunny come?
Is there more? I put it in here. What'd you get?
Jack, there's more eggs. Go look for more, buddy. Do you see more? Oh, okay. Put it in your bucket.
What'd you get? Oh, you gotta unwrap it first. Here, just put. You don't need to
Put it in your
first.
bucket.
Benji, put it in
Ben,
your bucket.
put it in your bucket and go find more. I see more eggs.
Where's your bucket at, sweetie?
The bunny got more eggs.
Here, bless you. Okay, go find more.
The bunny got more eggs. Look
In
around.
your bucket, sweetie.
Benji, look around. I see more eggs. Oh!
Where's that?
Whoa, show me.
Jack, go find more eggs.
Jack. Oh, look, Jack. Whoa. Let me see. Jack, show me. What is it, Jack?
That's the charm. Show Daddy. You guys can see.
Okay, because the floor is a mess. What, you got more? Oh,
Find
pick it
more
up.
one. Where's the other bucket?
There's one here.
Oh,
Jack, put it in your bucket.
put it in the bucket.
Don't open it now, guys.
Yeah, put it in the bucket.
Don't open it now. Yeah, I know. We gotta find more. No, is this a break? Is you taking a break and stuffing your face with M&Ms? I think I see more. Jack, look over. Benji, look over here. What do you see? Look over here, Ben. Oh, what do you see? Oh, is that M&M Bunny? Jack, you see M&M Bunny? Look up at the basket. Here, you got M&M Bunny. You got M&M Bunny. Let me see your bunny. Wow, let me see your bunny, Jack. Jack, let me see your M&M Bunny. Cool.
What else did you find?
Oh, another egg. Okay, put it in your basket. Jack, oh, what about over here, though? Jack, you see one? You see? Oh, good job. Go put it in your bucket. Monies?
Yeah.
Oh, good. You got what? You got M&M, and Jack, you got monies.
Save it for later.
Let me see your monies, Jack. Jack, let me see your monies. Show me your monies. Wow, you're rich. Monies.
Go show JoJo what you get.
Is there any more? Jack, I see one more. Look, behind you. Look on the couch.
Oh, you got more money.
Oh, go get it.
Save them.
Go get it. Now go put it in your basket.
Not yet. We gotta open it.
Okay, wow. Wow, the Easter Bunny came bearing a lot of candy and M&Ms. Holy, now you know what? Come here, wait. There's one more thing I think.